everyone, today we are going to see some important questions based on chapter Resources and Development from class 10th. So let's start. Question number 1. Which one of the following is not the basis of the classification of resources? A. Origin, B. Shape, C. Ownership, D. Exhaustibility. The correct answer for this is shape. In which of the following state is overgrazing responsible for land degradation? A. Jharkhand and Orissa, B. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, C. Punjab and Haryana, D. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The correct answer for this is B. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Which one of the following is not the community owned resource? A. Grazing grounds, B. Burial grounds, C. Village ponds, D. Privately owned house. Answer for this is privately owned house. When running water cuts through clay soils and makes deep channels, they lead to A. Gully erosion, B. Sheet erosion, C. Deforestation, D. Afforestation. Correct answer is gully erosion. Which one of the following is a biotic resource? A. Land, B. Water, C. Human being, D. Rocks. The correct answer for this is human beings. Which one of the following is an example of biotic resource? A. Rocks, B. Iron ore, C. Gold, D. Animals. The correct answer for this is D. Animals. There is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. Who among the following has given the above statement? A. Vinoba Bhave, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Answer for this is Mahatma Gandhi. The mountain share in the total land area is A. 30%, B. 27%, C. 43%, D. 40%. The correct answer for this is 30%. Which one of the following states mostly have lateral soil? Option A. Uttar Pradesh, Option B. Bihar, Option C. Rajasthan, Option D. Meghalaya. The correct answer for this is D. Meghalaya. Which one of the following is not a biotic resource? A. Flora and fauna, B. Rocks, C. Fishes, D. Livestock. The correct answer for this is rocks. What is the percentage share of plains in the total land area? A. 43%, B. 23%, C. 33%, D. 27%. The correct answer for this is A. 43%. Which of one of the following is not a renewable resource? A. Solar energy, B. Wind energy, C. Forests, D. Fossil fuels. The correct answer for this is fossil fuels. Which among the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? A. Intensive cultivation, B. Overgrazing, C. Deforestation, D. Over irrigation. The correct answer for this is D. Over irrigation. Under which of the following types of resources can tidal energy be put? Human made, biotic, non recyclable, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Which cold desert is relatively isolated from the rest of country? Leh, Kargil, Ladakh, Dras. The correct answer is Ladakh. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized are called A. Developed resources, B. Stock, C. International resources, D. Potential resources. The correct answer for this is D. Potential resources. Soil is formed by intense leaching is A. Alluvial soil, B. Red soil, C. Lateral soil, D. Desert soil. The correct answer for this is lateral soil. In which of the following states is black soil found? A. Jammu Kashmir, B. Bihar, C. Rajasthan, D. Jharkhand. The correct answer for this is C. Rajasthan. Which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? A. Intensive cultivation, B. Deforestation, C. Overgrazing, D. Over irrigation. The correct answer for this is over irrigation. Which one of the following crops is grown in black soil? A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Coconut. D. Tea. The correct answer for this is cotton.